All right, let's talk about some serious kitchen hardware. In the world of high-performance juicer mixer grinders, there are a couple of heavyweights. In one corner, you've got the legend, Sujata, a machine that's just built like an absolute tank. And in the other corner, we have the powerful challenger, Havells, stepping into the ring with more watts and a pretty sleek design. Today, we're putting them head-to-head to see which one really, truly deserves that spot on your kitchen counter. So the big question is, who's the real champ here? Is it the trusted veteran, the one you see in practically every juice shop? Or is it the powerful newcomer looking to take the crown? Well, we're going to settle this once and for all with some tough, real-world tests. Let's dive in. So let's properly introduce our contenders. First up, we have the veteran, Sujata. Now, if you've ever bought fresh juice from a vendor in India, you've seen this machine in action. It's famous for one thing above all else. It is practically indestructible. Its opponent is the challenger, Havells. It's aiming to knock Sujata off its throne with a bigger motor and a more modern look and feel. Okay, before we get to the fun part, the actual juicing and grinding, let's see how they stack up on paper. Think of this as the official weigh-in. We're going to check out the specs, the warranties, and what you're actually getting inside the box. Looking at the tail of the tape, Havells comes out swinging right away. I mean, look at that. It's packing a 1,000-watt motor versus Sujata's 900. And it's got a 2-year on-site warranty, which is a huge plus. Sujata only offers 1 year. But then you glance over at the price, and Sujata gets a point back. It's usually about 500 rupees cheaper on the market. But here's where it gets a little weird. You dig into the fine print on Sujata's warranty card, and you find this little nugget. Even though this is the absolute go-to machine for commercial juice shops everywhere, the warranty is totally void if you use it for business. It's kind of funny, right? Its entire reputation is built on commercial-grade performance, but the company won't officially back it for that use.
All right, quick baseline test. This is with nothing in the jars just to see how they run. The Havells spins faster, hitting around 18,500 RPM, but it's also a little bit louder at 88 decibels. Sujata is a bit more chill, running at 17,000 RPM, and it's slightly quieter. This just gives us a little preview of their personalities before we put them to work. Okay, the warm-up is officially over. Now it's time to see how these machines really perform when things get tough. So welcome to our very first challenge. Round 1, the juice off. For this test, we're using 500 grams of raw beetroot. And let me tell you, this is no easy task. Beetroot is really dense, it's tough, and it's the perfect test to see which machine is more efficient at squeezing out every single last drop of juice. Wow, okay, the results are in, and, well, it's not even close, to be honest. From the exact same 500 grams of beetroot, the Sujata managed to extract a full 320 grams of juice. The supposedly more powerful Havells, it only gave us 286 grams. And that makes Sujata the decisive winner of our juicing round. Now that 34-gram difference might not sound like a ton, but think about it. For a family that juices every single day, that adds up fast. It means less food waste and more value over time. In the world of juicing, efficiency is everything. So, Sujata takes the juicing battle, but this competition is far from over. We're moving on to a real test of raw power and pure endurance. It is time for round 2, the grinding challenge. The challenge is to grind 250 grams of whole, rock-hard turmeric. This is a brutal, heavy-load task. Seriously, this is the kind of thing that would cause the motor on a lesser machine to just give up and start smoking. It's a true test of a heavy-duty motor. So at first glance, this looks like a tie. Both machines got the job done in exactly 3.5 minutes. But the real story is in the energy consumption. You can see Sujata used noticeably less electricity to do the exact same amount of work, maxing out around 550 watts, while the Havells peaked at 600. And that's what it all comes down to. Both of these machines were powerful enough to handle this insane task, but Sujata did it more efficiently. Getting the same result while using less electricity, that gives it the win for the grinding round, hands down. So, Sujata has won both rounds based on pure performance. But does that automatically make it the one to buy? Let's factor in everything else and come to a final verdict.
Okay, let's put it all together on the scorecard. Sujata completely dominated the performance tests. It gave us more juice and it used less energy while grinding. But on the flip side, you can't ignore that Havells has a higher wattage motor on paper and a much better 2-year on-site warranty. That's a big deal.
And what about the cost? Well, the Sujata, our undisputed performance champion, usually sells on the market for around 5,500 rupees. And the Havells, with its extra power on paper and that superior warranty, comes in just a little bit higher, typically around 6,000 rupees. So the final verdict from our source is pretty clear-cut. When you weigh the pure performance against the price you pay, the recommendation goes to the Sujata. It's simply delivered better results for less money. But, at the end of the day, the real question is about what you value the most. Do you go for the proven, hyper-efficient performance champ that is the Sujata? Or is the peace of mind you get from that longer on-site warranty from Havells worth the extra cost and that small drop in performance? That's the trade-off. And the final call, well, that's yours.